Hey friends, if you wish to change the date format in Windows 11 to mmddyyyy, which is the American format, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to time and language, select language and region. Now wait till it loads. Okay, if your country or region, the device setup region is mentioned as United States, it will already be in the mmddyyyy format. And if it is some other country, then the format will be accordingly. So we can change the format from here. The regional format can be changed from here. For example, I can change it to the Indian format and you can see that it has immediately changed to the DDMMYYYY format. But if I change it to United States, then it will change accordingly, and this is the right way to do it. Don't do it in any other manner, because you have to select the format of the country which you wish to use instead of simply changing the format by clicking on change formats. You can do it. I mean, this is also one method. You can change the long date format or the short date format and then select this option for the DDMMYY format and this option for the mmddyyyy format. So you can choose it accordingly. But here's the thing, I prefer to do it through the region system, because we are selecting a certain type of format to cater to a certain region. So that's why I prefer to do it by changing the regional format and not just the format of the format of the date. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.